It's Chriso. I'm just resheeting now, and so it's another short day, but you get that. And then tomorrow I'll screed the floor. Then it's Easter, so it can be curing over the Easter weekend, and then I'll waterproof it after I come back. Right, so how we going there? I might have to trim a little bit off. I'm picking. I'm a little bit, just a little tittle. Too big, but no biggie. Move that out of the road. Okay, I'll go out and get another sheet while the dust settles. See you in a minute. Tap a hole for the mixing valve. You don't have to be super tight with your cement sheet, people, because you bog it up and tape it up and that sort of thing. So right, the pipes go down like that. Don't put a nail through the pipes, Chriso, even though I've got the plumber here. Reese is doing the laundry. Keep that on so it doesn't get damaged. Nail her up, Chuck. Eyeball it down. Don't know what I hit there. It's quite surprising that with all the tiles up on the wall, you've got a lot of weight. So don't be afraid of putting in heaps of nails or screws. Eyeball it down. Nice. Always keeping in mind where your pipes are. Right, I'll measure up the next one and I'll come back to you. I'm hooked on a feeling that you're still in love with me. I'm hooked on a feeling. That was the song that was playing before I turned on the camera. I'm hooked on a feeling. Good one, Charlie. Okay, next measurement.